There's a lot of deep space left to explore. Almost all of it, in fact. The combined observations of all of human history amount to merely 3% of the distance out, and 3% of the way back in time, to the observable horizon. Only 1/20,000,000th the potentially visible volume. 2 grand projects are now underway to push open the frontiers of astronomy. The 2-degree field survey and the Sloan Digital Sky survey. For the 2-degree field project, or 2DF, a team of Australian and British astronomers are working to log the accurate distances to 250,000 galaxies in their first phase. That's 7 times further out and further back, one thin strip of sky at a time. And the Sloan Digital Sky survey is even more aggressive. 1/4 of the whole sky is under observation. The distances to 1,000,000 galaxies are being computed, extending the edge of known space 5 times further, and reaching perhaps 15% of the way out and back to the horizon of deep time. New telescopes like the Keck in Hawaii and the Very Large Telescope in Chile can see galaxies 10 billion years out, but only over tiny patches of sky, and there are about 1 billion galaxies to catalog. Even with the coming generation of sensitive new detectors, smaller, dimmer galaxies will tend to go unnoticed. And it may always be tough to observe whatever lies behind the Milky Way's veil of dust.
If you look at the data, you'll see, what is this little wedge here where there's no data? Well, okay, there are galaxies there. We just don't know about them because they're hiding behind the dust of the Milky Way.
There's a lot of cosmos crying out for investigation.